Hello viewers and welcome back to this brand new video. Today we're going to be looking at my new engine and how I'm going to prep it for the kart. First we're going to start by fitting the engine mount, which is 4 bolts underneath the engine. Next we're going to fit a brand new spark plug. This is an iridium spark plug as we're racing in the NKC and we won't need the official Rotax plug. These plugs work just as well and they're a lot cheaper. Next I'm going to fit the temperature sensor for the micron. All I have to do is unscrew the bolt and screw in the temperature sensor. Now because of my poor cameraman skills, you can't see me fitting the coil, but here's me putting it on the spark plug. Next job is to clean out the fuel pump. Start by removing the 4 Phillips screws from the top. The casing will split into 2 pieces with 3 gaskets. These are very delicate and have a specific way of going on, so it's important to put them in the right order when you take them off. To clean, we're going to give each side a healthy spray of carburetor cleaner. It's important to wipe it clean with only blue roll, as this has no contaminants on it. To reassemble, put the gaskets back in the same order and put in the 4 Phillips screws. To make sure this engine looks pristine on the kart, I'm giving it a quick go over some elbow grease. One of the final jobs was to remove the camera mount, which was a lot harder than I expected. Most of the tape ended up staying on the radiator, so I had to get a hairdryer to get it off. A quick wipe over of the front of the engine and the side of the engine to make sure it looks good. Final job is to refit the fuel pump. And without further ado, this is my 2025 race engine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you liked.